myself and Vico and James and the projects we've done, is that you have a unique group of people that you're working with, and it can go in whatever direction that group of people want it to go, rather than being a preset workshop approach, where you try to bolt on the same thing to different groups of people. It doesn't work. So by having a community practice approach allows that to be unique in every different project, and allow you to target the actual needs of the lecturers and the students in that group. So I guess what I want us to do today is really get a bit of a sense of each of the skills that we all bring to this group, to give a bit of a sense of being part of the community, and just have a bit of fun together, really. So go over, obviously, the idea of this framework that we've been developing, and then try to see how you can use that within your own contexts. And Stanley will talk a little bit about funding and stuff like that as well. So to that extent, what I've tried to do to start with is try to create some tools that we can use to make this community work, because we're only going to be together a few times physically, and two of you are outside of Auckland, which makes things a little bit more difficult. But certainly not impossible. So using the tools that we're talking about to facilitate our community or practice. It's actually really quite interesting, because I think it was about August last year, Dave sent me an email saying that he just had a phone call from the Ministry of Education asking what his mobile learning community practice was up to, and what funds they could push our way. And he sort of sent me an email and said, what community practice? So I think it's nice that we can actually start one, create one, and hopefully this can be a hub that can grow. So I know there's people in New Zealand and Australia who have done significant research in mobile learning, but it's a very small group of people, and you've all got experience in that, so that's why you're part of this group. And I want us to try and be as open as possible with what we do with our research, with our ideas, so that other people can at least view and get ideas for their own context of that, and really to model the use of the tools that we're talking about. So Dave, you're going to have to learn how to use some of this stuff.
I am, aren't I? Yeah. That's a good base.
But it's actually not hard, and that's the beauty of it, is we try to target stuff that's mobile friendly, obviously, because we're interested in mobile learning, but it's not a huge technology leap, because bakery lecturers or